It's a gorgeous September day, and I'm heading back out to Southeast Auburn Black Diamond Road for another run up to Southeast Greenriver Gorge Road. This time I'm joined by my son Finn. I told him about how nice the road was, and he wanted to check it out, so we decided to do a little Subaru WRX run into the Black Diamond area. I left work a little early and met him at the staging area on Southeast Auburn Black Diamond Road. First I set up cameras, 2 on mine and 1 on his, and we're ready. Here we go. Here's a map reminder of the area. Head east on Southeast Auburn Black Diamond Road. I'm going to say that a bunch. Take a right on Southeast Green Valley Road. Then after winding through the farms and countryside, take a right onto 212th Way Southeast. Then you'll take a short climb onto Southeast 368th Street. And don't miss the turn like I did last time. It'll be on your left. This will link together a series of similarly named roads until you find yourself at the stop sign. Then cut across 264th Avenue Southeast and get on Enumclaw Franklin Road Southeast till you take the right up and onto Southeast Greenriver Gorge Road. There's a lot of southeasts. Oh look, this time I'm getting the turn right. I was worried we were going to be stuck behind this guy in the truck, but luckily it turned off, and as I punched it a bit, I saw the sheriff. Oh man, I thought we were cooked. Then we were passed without incident. Once you get on Enumclaw Franklin Road Southeast, you'll want to watch out for trucks heading to and leaving the quarry up ahead. Once you get past them, it opens up for the curvy descent to the Greenriver Gorge Road turnoff. Here's a little shout out to Diode Dynamics. Finn has their base level yellow fog lights, and they are unbelievably clear and bright even in the full sun. I am honestly envious. Once again, this road is a small treat out in the woods with those rolling curves and that big dip at the end. Paired with a gorgeous day, it's a great late summer drive. Alright, that's it for this round. This is such a great little road, I will probably add it to any other route I map out in the area just to have an excuse to drive it. Thanks for watching.